I want to make this quick urgent video because there's a scam going on right now targeting filmmakers, videographers, and video production companies, and I'm assuming it may be happening in other industries too. But because how specific this is, I think some people are going to fall for it. And the first initial email, actually, when I got this email, I did not catch it. One of my students in my course got the same exact email and they caught it. So Mark brought this to my attention, and he actually had some back and forth with this person, and he shared some screenshots here that he let me share in this video to show you exactly what's happening. I'll blur out some of the information here because they may be changing the company name that they're using, but I really need to bring this to your attention right now, so hopefully you could avoid this scam. And please share this with any other person you know in the industry so they could also avoid this kind of scam. This may be happening this week, but it's also happened throughout my career. So you'll see these kind of emails if you're in this for a while. So this is the initial email that I got and Mark got. And just looking at this, it seemed very normal to me. I get these kind of emails looking for videography service, video production service all the time through my paid ads, through my search engine optimization. So I didn't really think much of it at first. The only thing is sometimes when I see the word videographer, I usually tend to ignore it because they are typically looking for a one-man band, and I don't provide that. I do more of a video production service at a higher end. But looking at it and looking at the company, I thought I could upsell them into a much broader package. So a couple of things I typically do. I look up the person's name in the signature of the email on LinkedIn to make sure they are working at that company, everything looks right. And I also use another website called SimilarWeb, where I put the company's website and then it shows me what kind of traffic they get per month. So this company maybe got like 1 million views a month. So I know they are making enough money for me to try to upsell them a broader package that utilizes more social media videos than what they were asking for. Okay, so then I thought, okay, I'm gonna approach this with that kind of plan. Now this is what ended up happening. They didn't respond to me, okay? So the next part of the scam actually didn't hit me, and I did not know that this was a scam at first. But look at what happened with Mark. Mark actually pursued this a little bit further. So this is the reply they sent to Mark after some back and forth. And basically, this is how the scam works. There's a quote going on for $5,000 here to do this project, but what ends up happening is they say, we will pay you in advance $6,500. This immediately should be a red flag. Why would they pay more than your total bid, right? You betted $5,000. They're gonna pay you $6,500. So where's the scam here? Well, they send you a fraudulent check for $6,500. The bank's not gonna catch that right away, right? You're gonna deposit that check. They're gonna ask for the refund of the $1,500, the difference. You may send them that via PayPal or an easier method. And then the check is actually gonna not get deposited because the bank is gonna catch the fraud. And now you're out of the $1,500 that you paid them back. So anytime you see any type of proposal where they're paying you more than your total bid, right? That is how that scam works. So if it sounds too good to be true, like this case where they're paying you more than your entire bid, it's too good to be true and it's probably a scam, okay? So make sure you don't fall for this. Make sure you share this with anyone in the video industry, and even photographers, I think, are gonna get similar kind of scam emails. And hopefully all of us could avoid this. And I wanna thank Mark again for bringing this to my attention in full detail.